Hello my beauties, hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. I'm back again with one more amazing haul video. I went out to a beauty outlet in Mumbai known as Beauty Palace. वहाँ पे मैं गई थी दो सामान लेने, a face razor and a eyebrow buffing brush, and I ended up buying this huge bag of makeup. So before I started using them, I thought कि ना मैं क्यों ना आपको दिखाऊं कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है, क्या क्या खरीदा है जो मेरी विश लिस्ट में था, बट उसकी अभी इतनी कोई अर्जेंट जरूरत नहीं थी. So let's start with the video guys, and before that I want to give you a small intro of that outlet. The place is known as Beauty Palace and it's an amazing place guys. First of all, whatever beauty product you want, makeup product you want, you will get it there. चाहे वो professional हो, चाहे वो day to day basis पे use होने वाला हो. Okay, so when I started my journey as a makeup artist, that was the first outlet where I went, and I built up my entire vanity from there because they have amazing discount on their products always, like 10 to 20% of the discount तो minimum आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा always. Plus you can get all the products from the professional range over there. That is the amazing part. I just love that outlet. If you are someone who is from Mumbai, you are into makeup, you love doing your makeup, or you are a professional makeup artist, guys, you need to go and check out that outlet, Beauty Palace. I will be linking down everything, like all the details, in the description box down below. So guys, starting off with the very first product जिसके लिए मैं एक्चुअली गई थी लेने, that was a face razor, because मिनिसो पे आजकल हर जगह, like in every outlet, the face razors are out of stock, and this is the saddest part for my life because I am so addicted to मिनिसो face razors कि मैं अब कोई और face razor use ही नहीं कर सकती. I then bought this VEGA face razors from the Beauty Planet, and guys, this is the biggest fail, like biggest shame on razors. I'm so sorry VEGA, but so this is the most rubbish and wastage of money guys. Don't buy VEGA face razors. So guys, moving on to the second product was my eyebrow mascara brush. You can say mascara brush, I call it eyebrow buffing brush. Looks like this. ये mostly सभी के पास होता है. वो टूट गया था मेरा, तो that's why I went to buy this. And I love PAC pack and Pro Art brushes more, so that's why I bought Pro Art one, and this was for 225 rupees. It's worth buying guys. It will last you for good like for a year or two. Second brush which I bought is like I was thinking of buying few more blending brushes, eyeshadow blending brushes. I was already having few, but still जितना ज़्यादा लो blending brushes उतने कम पड़ते हैं, because once you start blending with a brush, वो उसमें product लग जाता है, तो आप दोबारा से उस brush से blend नहीं कर सकते, वो finishing नहीं आती है. So that's why I bought one more eyeshadow blending brush for me from Pro Art again, and it was for 375 rupees. I just loved it because Pro Art के and PAC के brushes का जो softness होता है, जो hair होता है, जो furriness होता है ना, that is so smooth that it will give you a really nice blend of colors on your eyelids. So that's why I always prefer buying these two brands when it comes to eye makeup brushes. The next brush is something which was actually not required, but I bought it as a trial brush because I've seen so many bloggers, they are actually concealing their under eye areas, or near the lips and everywhere wherever the concealer is required. They're using this sort of a brush with a very flat base, and with this, it's called as Precise Flat Kabuki Brush AK64. It's again from Pro Art, and it's for rupees 375, and I bought it to give it a try कि actual में जैसा दिखाते हैं कि it conceals really well and all. I just want to check कि वाकई में करता है कि नहीं, because I just feel कि इतने सारे products और इतने सारे brushes होने का कोई sense नहीं है, because ये काम एक beauty blender भी कर सकता है, ये काम एक normal concealer brush जो already आपके makeup kit में होता है, like अगर आपके पास एक basic brushes का set है तो उसमें होता है, वो भी कर सकता है. So you don't need so many brushes. It's just, you know, marketing and show off. But still, I wanted to try this since I have seen so many beauty bloggers and so many makeup artists using it. So yes, I bought this. The very next makeup brush and the last makeup brush which I bought is again from ProArt. Guys, I'm a die-hard fan of ProArt brushes. Sorry, I can't help it, because I'm using ProArt brushes since 4 years now and I can't stop loving them. Every time I use them, my love increases. So yes, I bought this. This is a ProArt AK42 round Kabuki brush and it was for $9.50. It was quite expensive, and this was basically for blending your makeup. I already have foundation blending brushes. I bought one more. This was for, you know, blending your base, if it's a cream base or liquid base. I have seen few bloggers again using it, so I wanted to give it a try. So guys, next up is a beauty blender, and मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि ये beauty blender इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा according to the price it quotes. It's from Forever52. It looks like this, and I'll show you. It's so soft even without soaking it in water. See, PAC से भी ज़्यादा soft है. जो मैं PAC का use करती हूँ वो इससे थोड़ा सा hard है, and I love it. And so yes, I bought this, and this was just for 285 rupees, guys. It is like, ये expensive तो छोड़ो, इसे it's extremely budget friendly. You guys should go and check it out. If you are a beginner or if you are a pro makeup artist, if you are a beauty blogger, whatever you are, you should have this at least one. This is really nice. A big thumbs up for this one. I wanted to buy a few products from Forever52, but before that I wanted to go and check it out, to dig into that palette with my finger and have a swatch on my hand and check. So it was in my wish list. I went to Beauty Palace again and I tried Forever52 eyeshadow palette, guys, and it was such an amazing eyeshadow palette. I can't tell you. Now I'm quite confident enough about this palette and I will be buying it online for sure. But I bought it from Beauty Palace, and this palette was Pro Pigment eyeshadow palette. It was a small palette. I bought the smallest one first to give it a try, and then I'll, you know, take over, or then I'll get my bigger palette. So this is the palette and it looks like this. This is such a nice palette, guys. This is such a nice palette. It has all the shimmery shades. All the shimmery shades it has. I hope it is visible to you. I'll give you a close-up of this palette in a clip just after this. Next up is again a product from Forever52. It's a Daily Life Forever52 highlighter duo. I picked up the shades in a tone where I can apply it on my brides as well as on me. So the Forever52 highlighter palette looks like this. Guys, this is such an amazing palette. And I just love the sheen. I just love the pigmentation of these highlighters. You can use it on your eyes as well. And yeah, I am going to show you the swatch of this in a clip just after this. Please go and check it out. Now I can say that Forever52 products are wow, and you can just go and buy it from their online website, or if you are from Mumbai, you can go and check out Beauty Palace. They have mostly all the eyeshadow palettes and highlighter palettes, lipsticks and everything from Forever52. So yes, after this, let's quickly get into another product, which is a contour pan. And I was in a need of a contour pan since a little longer. I was contouring from my eyeshadow palettes or from my eyebrow palettes, because you can always do that, but now I felt that I should have something for contouring, for showing to you people when I'm doing it professionally in front of a camera. So I bought LA Girl Pro Face High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. It looks like this, and it comes up with a puff, although this puff is of no use for me, but yes, it comes up with a puff. It's for 700 rupees, guys. It's not at all expensive. It will last you so long. The pigments are so nice. It will, you know, you will just dab your brush once and you are done for one side. It's so pigmented. I just love it. Actually, you can say कि बहुत दिनों से ना मैं शुगर के प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करना चाहती थी. इतने सारे ब्लॉगर्स हैं, हर वक्त दे यूज शुगर लिपस्टिक्स, शुगर foundation, sugar this, sugar that, but I have never given sugar a try. So I thought of trying out a base from Sugar, that is a cream base, and I bought it in my shade. मैं ये बहुत पहले से खरीदना चाहती थी, but I was again confused कि ये मेरा स्किन टोन होगा कि नहीं होगा. ऑनलाइन आई नेवर टेक अ रिस्क, बिकॉज व्हाट आई फील इज सबसे अच्छी तरीके से आप अपने स्किन टोन को चेक कर सकते हो जब आप उसे यहाँ ट्राई करते हो. अदरवाइज यू एंड अप बाइंग अ शेड लाइटर और शेड डार्कर. ओके, सो आई बॉट दिस शुगर Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 37 Freddo. This is my shade, guys. 37 Freddo is my shade. So अगर आपका स्किन टोन मेरे जैसा है, so please blindly go and buy this 37 Freddo. Okay, and I love this foundation stick, guys. It's so nice. It has a brush. This is like the most interesting part, is it has a brush with it to blend. So if you are traveling somewhere, you can just put it in your purse and you don't need to carry a spare brush to blend your foundation. So yeah, and this is the foundation stick. अभी तक मैंने यूज नहीं की है, मैं बहुत जल्दी यूज करने वाली हूँ अपने किसी वीडियो में, तो you will come to know कि how is it and all. So this is my shade and it was for something around 1000 rupees, I think. So I'm not sure. Yeah, it was nearby that. I think it was for 999. I'm not sure, but yeah, I will be writing everything in the description box down below. Next up is a lipstick from Sugar. This is the lip shade which I have applied, guys. It's such a nice lipstick. मैंने कुछ सालों पहले लाजपत नगर से एक ऐसी लोकल वाली लिपस्टिक ली थी. उसका जो शेड था वो बहुत अच्छा था. उसके बाद वो मुझे कभी नहीं मिली. मैंने बहुत ढूंढा, मुझे कभी नहीं मिली, but luckily I got that in Sugar. And this is the same lip color. This is not pink, this is not red. Somewhere it will reflect as a pink lip color, somewhere it will reflect as a red lip shade. So this is the beauty of this color. That's why I just picked it up in a single go. When they show me, first of all, I was like flat on the packaging. The packaging is so nice, so glamorous. You can't take your eyes away from this. After that, when she opens up the color for me, the color was so nice. It's not red, it's not pink. Wow. Okay, so that's why I bought it without giving a single thought. And yeah, so this is the lipstick which I have applied. I will give you a small review also. ये बहुत बटरी है, but this is not that sticky and कि निकल जाएगी and बहुत sticky हो रहा है. It's buttery, it's matte, okay, and it will give you a moisture lock to your lips as well. It has, the pigmentation is wow, and the name of this lip shade is Nothing Else Matter Long Wear Lipstick in the shade 29 Pink Up. I will be writing down everything in the description box down below, so you don't need to worry about the names and everything. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you like the haul. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the bell icon, like, share and comment, and please do let me know which is your favorite product or which is the product which you would love to try. I will be waiting for your likes and dislikes in my comments down below. So yeah, I will be back again with one more amazing video. Stay tuned for that, guys. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.